Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix the KB5053598 update installation issue. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. The Windows Update Troubleshooter can help detect and fix common issues related to Windows Update. Open Settings, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Troubleshoot. Navigate to System greater than Troubleshoot greater than other troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update. Troubleshooter, scroll down and click Run next to Windows Update. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the troubleshooter automatically fix any detected issues. 2. Manually install the update. Sometimes manually downloading and installing the update can bypass the error. Download the update. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5053598 and download the correct version for your system, e.g. 64-bit or 32-bit. Install the update. Once downloaded, double-click the file and follow the installation prompts. Restart your computer after installation. 3. Run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM tool. Corrupted system files can cause update errors. Use the System File Checker, SFC, and DISM tools to fix them. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Windows plus X and select Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Run System File Checker, SFC. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter, SFC/SCANNOW. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. Run dism tool. If SFC doesn't fix the issue, run the dism tool. Type the following command and press Enter dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for the process to complete. It may take some time. 4. Try a clean boot. Performing a clean boot can help isolate any third-party software conflicts that may be causing the update to fail. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R, then type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services. Click Disable All to disable non-Microsoft services. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items. Restart your PC and try installing the update again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the 0x800f081f error related to KB5053598 and get the update installed on your Windows 11 system. Let me know if you need further assistance.